Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Welcome, guys. Welcome. We have a lot of information to go through. Markets were down today. All right. So equities were down pretty big. Now, we are doing, remember, we've gone from 5 days a week to 3 days a week. All right. So no excuse for showing up. All right. So we need to make sure we are here Sundays. All right. Every Sunday evening, 7 p.m. Eastern time, Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. Okay. All right, guys. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. We have a lot of information to go through. So let's get right to it. All right. Let's get right to it. Equity markets. All right. So the indexes are down. Dow is down. All right. 626 points for today. All right. The NASDAQ was down in a big way. 3%, 557. That's a big down day. S&P was down 2. And also the Russell, the IWM was also down. All right. So that's also down. So across the board, these indexes were all down. The VIX, look at the VIX, guys. Hey, Anthony, welcome. All right. Yeah, I miss you guys too. All right, guys, the VIX is at 20. All right, so, right, it's moving higher. So it moved all the way from, what was that? It closed at about 15, 16, now at 20. So we have increased volatility, not good for the equity markets. Okay, so increased volatility, which means equity markets will come down. All right, so let's take a look at the indexes. So the S&P, guys, S&P 500 failed to break resistance here. Big white candle, right? Broke that trend line, white candle. We'll look for some support, I would say, down in perhaps this area right about here. All right, so let's remove this trend line. All right, and we'll see if price can come all the way down here. All right, so failed to break resistance. All right, white candle coming back down for now. That's on the S&P, and we'll take a look at big picture also, and the Magnificent Seven. Okay, now you guys know we've been trimming equity positions. We haven't been adding at all, so that's a good thing. All right. The NASDAQ, let's take a look here. All right. On the NASDAQ, guys, we have a big red candle. All right. So we have a big red candle right here on the NASDAQ. Let's remove this. And we have support. So we'll see if price can get to that support. We've got support, let's say, right about here. All right. So right in here, we'll count this red candle. All right, so that's not good for the NASDAQ, guys. And like I said, NASDAQ was down over 3% on the day. All right. The Dow, let's take a look here. This is on the daily time frames. Now, the Dow still has a green candle. All right, so still has a green candle here. I'm just holding on to that resistance level there, okay? The Russell, all right, so the IWM, these are small caps, okay? We have a white candle, all right? Just remember S&P, NASDAQ, those are large caps, all right? So Bullmaster Pro. IWM, let's remove this. We have a big white candle. And we've got a channel here, a range bound. Looks like we might get back in that range. Big white candle here. So guys, we shouldn't be long stocks right now. Okay, all the sectors are up right now, but that doesn't matter. That will change, guys. As sellers come in, this will all change. All right. Okay. Big picture on the Dow, right? Big picture, all-time high, still holding at about 40,000. Hey, Solomon, welcome. 40,000 on the Dow. S&P weekly time frame still holding near all-time highs. So big picture, still holding, still intact, okay? NASDAQ, all right, holding here, holding the trend line. The Russell, all right, holding above resistance. We can actually move this resistance right about here, okay? All right, and the VIX again, guys, made a big jump to 20 here on the VIX. Let's see if it moves higher. The Magnificent Seven. Let's take a look at the Mag Sevens. Okay, we'll start with NVIDIA. The bottom here, guys, has a red candle. All right, that's not good for NVIDIA. All right, so failed to hold above resistance, which was right about $35, right about there, right here. All right, so closed on close today at 108, guys, 108 with NVIDIA, and we've got support right here, support at 90 with NVIDIA. So we'll see if it gets back to that support area here. If that's the case, boy, we could see it break through and move lower. But right now, the target is $90 with NVIDIA. Okay, let's go here. Apple, white candle, failing to break resistance. We need these stocks to break through that resistance and hold. If they're failing like this, that's not good. They can come back to support. No guarantee that they'll do that, but that's what happens a lot. All right, Google right here, red candles, markdown phase. Support would be, yeah, we've got some support here. Let's bring this in. So we see what's going on with equities here. Okay, support here, red candle, looking to break through. All right. Hey, T, welcome. Meta, Facebook, just holding. All right, white candle, but holding support right here. And it is in a range, so it's range bound. No trends here. Tesla, let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla, all right, just basically consolidating right here, white candles. Okay, so nothing there for now. Microsoft, red candle came in, markdown phase, big red candle came in. Next area of support is down here at 387, trading close today at 409. And that's Microsoft. And now Amazon, all right? Amazon, guys, let's see here. We can make sense of this. Okay. All right, so we've got some support here, a little support, but right here, and then all right here, consolidating right here, holding for now. Okay, not much there with Amazon. Okay, but look at here. All right, all were down for the day, but NVIDIA, all right, really pay attention to NVIDIA, guys. That's a lot of selling here, and then support is here. We can get to that support level. Okay, the dollar index just holding. Boy, it is holding that support right here, isn't it? Holding support right here. All right. Pound yen. You guys, I'm sure you guys noticed a lot of selling came in. We were long the yen pairs. All right, all that downward pressure caused those yen pairs to close. Okay, and pound yen. Big picture, we have a red candle right here, and it's just really holding that trend line right here. I doubt we'll have opportunities to go short the yen pairs. It's too early. We'll just need to close those longs. No shorts yet. We'll take a look. Probably on the 60-minute, but we'll take a look. Okay. All right. Current positions. Let's go through those. Current positions in Monster Scalper. Okay, and we will load it up on these yen pairs, guys. So too bad. Let's see here. That's too bad. And they were performing well too. All right, so should be taking profits or cutting losses. Okay. The first one is on the 60-minute time frame, guys. ZAR yen, a buy signal was here. Sellers came in right here. We were hoping, all right, to get reaccumulation, keep moving higher, break resistance. Sellers came in, buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, close the trade, please. So ZAR yen, we should be out of that trade. SGD JPY, good trading here. Buy signal was right here, guys. Sellers came in, red candle, sell signal, closed the trade. So bought here, sold here, not a bad trade, closed the trade. SGD JPY, all right? So we should be cleaning things up. SGD JPY. CAD yen, all right, same thing, guys. Buy signal here. I think we got in right about here after the selling in here, right about here. Red candle, sell signal on the 60-minute, close the trade. Notice what can happen if we do not get out. So follow your system, all right, in Monster Scalper. All right, so CAD yen. All right, close the trade, please. Euro yen, also close the trade. Buy signal here, all right. Not a bad exit, all right. Red candle, sell signal right here, your white arrow. So bought here, sold here. Take those profits, get out. We don't want to be still in. You guys know this, okay? So Euro yen, close the trade, please. All right, Swiss yen. All right, same thing. Buy signal here. Red candle, sellers came in, close the trade, please. All right, testing support here. We might look for some shorts on the 60. I doubt they're ready on the 240. So Swiss yen, close the trade, please. All right, Aussie yen, buy signal here. Red candles came in, sell signals, we should be out at a minimum. As a matter of fact, the first red candle right here, we should be out. Okay, if you're waiting for that sell signal, that white arrow to come in on that second red candle, you're waiting too late. Okay, so bought here, sold here on that red candle right here, we should be out. Look what happened after that. Okay, so follow your process, follow your systems. Aussie. All right, Aussie yen, close the trade. Dollar yen, great trade here. Buy signal here, sold here, red candle, white arrow, close the trade, please. Good trade. Bought here, sold here. Dollar yen, good trade. Aussie yen, yeah, we just called that. So Aussie yen, right? We talked about that one here. Should be getting out right here. That first red candle. HKD, Hong Kong, JPY, good trade here, guys. So this is not bad, right? Good trading in these yen pairs. Perhaps we can see some shorts. We'll see. HKD, JPY, buy signal here, sell signal, red candle, white arrow. Close the trade, please. HKD, JPY. Pound yen, good trade here. Buy signal here, we got in right about in this area here. Red candle, first red candle, sell signal, white arrow, close the trade. If you're still in these trades like this, you're doing something wrong, okay? All right, once these sellers come in, we've got to get out. All right, pound yen, close the trade, please. TRY, JPY, buy signal here, sell signal, red. And this is not a bad exit here. All right, so buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, white arrow, right here, bought here, sold here, close the trade, please. All right, Aussie, those all the yen pairs. Aussie CAD, buy signal here, sell signal here, close the trade, please. Aussie CAD. New Zealand CAD. All right. Buy signal here, sell signal, close the trade. Okay. New Zealand CAD. USD HUF. All right. Buy signal here. All right. That's still holding here. And then USD CZK, buy signal here. That is still holding right here. Okay. So we'll continue to hold. No shorts on the 60-minute. So we don't have any shorts, guys, on the 60-minute time frame. Okay. Long positions on the 240 in Monster Scalper. Let's take a look. So make sure we clean things up. All right, Aussie Swiss on the 240, guys. Buy signal here. All right, look at that. All right, tight range here. Look here, right in here, right in here. Bought here, hit support, close the trade. Okay, so Aussie Swiss, close the trade. All right, dollar HUF, that's holding. Buy signal here, moving up. Let's bring this over about here. All right, here. USD DKK, guys, buy signal here, moving up nicely here. Target all the way up here. All right. USD CZK, good trade going here. Buy signal, mark down, mark up, buy signal, holding firm on the 240. New Zealand dollar, guys, that trade closed. Good trade in here. Buy signal here, sell signal, red candles, sellers are coming in, close the trade. So bought here, sold here, close the trade, please. New Zealand dollar. All right, New Zealand Swiss, buy signal here, right, on a break of resistance, slight break, right? Resistance becomes support, sell signal, close the trade, please. All right, right here. NZD, all right, CHF. New Zealand CAD, also closed. So buy signal here, guys, red candle, all right, white arrow, those are your sell signals. Close the trade, please. New Zealand CAD. All right, it's nothing wrong with taking profits, cutting those losses, okay? So buy signal here, ZAR yen on a break of resistance. Red candles broke support. Close the trade, please. ZAR yen. All right, Euro yen, buy signal, red candles here. Close the trade. That's Euro yen. CAD yen, same thing. Buy signal, sell signal, close the trade. Notice that this price action looks very similar. All right, Swiss yen, buy signal here, red candle, right here, close the trade. We use these red candles as sell signals also, okay? All right, Aussie yen, buy signal here, sell signal here, guys. Close the trade. Dollar yen, buy signal here, red candle. Close the trade. Pound yen. All right, so pound yen, buy signal all the way down here. Red candle right here. Close the trade, please. Okay. Pound yen. Okay, so the pound long trade, guys, is especially on the 60-minute, it's done for now. All right, we do have one short on the 240. Let's take a quick look. We're going to have to cover that. Okay, so short here, buy to cover. Green candles, buyers are coming in. USD CNH, close the trade. Only one trade there. All right, Forex dominator on the daily time frame, guys. Daily time frame. New Zealand CAD, all right, just holding at resistance. New Zealand dollar, holding. Pound dollar, just holding. So not much there. On the shorts, on the daily time frame, let's take a look. Shorts. So dollars CZK, all right, guys. So short here, bouncing off support here. Keep an eye on this one. Definitely keep an eye. You could have this happen here. all right, or even this. So just keep an eye on that. USD CZK right here. USD PLN, also keep an eye on this one here. Price is looking to get back within support and resistance. That's not good, okay? USD SEK PLN. USD NOK, same thing here, guys. We want it to stay below support. And dollar CAD, same thing here. Stay below support. This one looks okay. All right, but you got, remember, yellow support and resistance, because so we're getting, right, we're getting higher highs, higher lows. Just keep an eye on it. We do have support right up here. Let's move this. Right here. Okay, so if the price gets back right here, guys, all right, above previous support, guess what? It could make a move higher. Okay, keep that in mind. We do have some equity positions. Let's take a look at those. Our long positions in equities. Long positions in equities. All right, in stock bars, guys, small caps, okay? Small cap stock. IAG, that's holding. AQST, holding. APPS. We're going to close APPS, guys. That buy signal came in at $2.47. All right, so white candle, that's getting really close to support here. And we have a purple support and resistance. Close the trade, please. APPS. Bull Master, guys, we have two healthcare stocks. HCA looks good, holding up well. Healthcare can be a flight to safety sector. THC, buy signal here, holding firm. And then Bull Master with fundamentals. Let's take a look. All right, ADMA, that's holding. Carver, that's holding. Coke. All right, look at Coke, guys. Wow, what a great move. Look at this, all the way down here. All right. HWKN, that's holding absolutely well. All right, NTRA. We're going to close this, guys. This one here is trading below previous resistance. And we could see sellers come in heavy, so we'll close this. All right, NTRA. All right, PLTR, that's holding. And then SN holding also. Okay, so good trading, but that's only with the ones we are holding, okay? And we don't have a lot. Let's take a quick look at Stock Boss, Bull Master. We'll run Heat Seeker just to get a feel for what's out there, okay? So let's do that. All right, so Stock Boss, let's see here. Small caps, let's run it. Look at that. So we got 11 guys. All right, that's not even worth running. All right, so 11 stocks. So that tells us we shouldn't be trading, right? Should be up in the 70s, 80s, 150. So 7, guess what? Big institutions are not buying for sure. Let's see, Bull Master. 35, guys. 35, all right? So when was the last time we had 35 stocks in Heat Seeker for Bull Master, right? Long time. Okay, so you guys know nothing here. Even Bull Master Pro for advanced traders, look here. All the red in here. So not a good deal, okay? So just hold off on equities for right now. Our US 30 traders. All right. Now, we didn't call, did we call this buy? I think we called this buy signal here. Right now, like I said, these E-minis are down. So Monster US 30, it's going down. But like I said, don't short it. Buyers can certainly come back in here and move the price higher. If you're going to short it, you might short it on a small, real small time frame. Okay. So here it is on the 60-minute short to go short in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Monster Scalper, guys. So on the 60-minute, let's bring up the 60-minute time frame. Okay. On the 60-minute time frame, we are going to look for some short opportunities. Okay. On the 60-minute time frame to go short. All right. And we had a lot of selling today. If that selling continues tomorrow, let's see if we can find something here. Hold on. Let's do this. I want to take a look at Monster Forex Tracker. All right. So we've got volatility. All right. Almost 90% volatility there. That's on the daily. On the 240, we've got volatility. On the 60-minute time frame, we've got good volatility also. Okay. So shorts are coming in on the 60-minute time frame. 240s mix. Daily, more buyers are coming in. Okay. So the concern here with these shorts is that, guess what? Right? The overall trend on the 240 here and on the daily, all right, isn't short. No, that doesn't mean we can't take another leg down. All right, but just know that. Okay. So let's go back here. Hold on. Get my highlighter here. All right. Okay, so let's go back to Monster Scalper. Okay, guys. Okay, Aussie CAD, AUD, CAD, short, 60-minute in Monster Scalper. Okay? All right, so short here on the 60-minute. Let's see here. All right, so we're breaking support here on the 60-minute time frame. Right here. Sell short signal here. I know it's gone a little bit, right? Ideally, right about in here would be fine. It's right here. Support is all the way down here, okay? You might have some here, but all the way down here. Aussie CAD, okay? So Aussie CAD. We'll spend some time here. Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie CAD, guys, also we're going to add it on the 240. So Aussie CAD, you guys should trade lightly on these. So Aussie CAD, right, on the 60, but also on the 240. Here we are breaking support levels here on the 240. All right, right here. So Aussie CAD. Aussie dollar, we've missed it on the 60, on the 240. So Aussie dollar, AUD, USD, short on the 240. All right, that's gone. All right. New Zealand dollar. A good 60-minute short trade. I don't like this short here, guys. If you bring in a trend line, that can continue to move up that trend line. So, New Zealand dollar, New Zealand Swiss. All right, that's gone. Nothing here. New Zealand CAD. Good short here. All right, so there's some shorts. All right. On the 60-minute time frame, okay, guys. All right. And Ankush, hello, welcome. All right, I'm bad with names, guys, so I apologize if I get your names. I don't get it right. ZAR Yen, guys. ZAR Yen sell short signal here. All right, moving down. Okay, so guys, we could see a start. This could be a start of some shorts, yen shorts. Okay. USD JPY. We're going to add this one here on the 60-minute, guys. Sell short signal here. Here we are breaking through support right here in the markdown phase. So USD JPY short. And that is on the 60-minute time frame in Monster Scalper. Okay. Nothing here. SGD JPY sell short signal here. Okay. Ideally, guys, we want to get it right in here, but that's not too far. Okay. Off. So SGD JPY. Notice how quickly they turn around, guys. We were long and now we are short. The yen pairs. That's SGD JPY. New Zealand yen, that's gone too far. Keep an eye on the 240 though. That could come in on the 240. Sell short signal here. Good short going here though, but too late for us. All right, HKD, let's add this one. HKD, JPY, that's your Hong Kong yen short on the 60-minute time frame. And here's a short signal here by your system, and it's just holding to break support there. All right, pound yen, we'll add it also. GBP, JPY short on the 60-minute time frame. Okay. All right. Very good. That's pound yen. Euro yen. Okay. We're going to add it also. Okay. Euro yen. Now, guys, you can't trade all of these, so just find your spot. We'll send out many of these. So you guys know this. Just find the 1, 2, or 3 to short. Swiss yen also short setting up here. Sell short signal and is looking to break through support right here. Okay. On the 60, CHF, JPY short on the 60. Okay. All right. CAD yen, guys, that's gone. Keep an eye on it on the 240. Aussie yen, that's gone. Good trade going here in Aussie yen. Good trade, good short going here, guys. Okay. Let's see, dollar pairs. So it looks like the dollar wants to make a move higher. Let's take a look. Dollar ZAR. We are in USD HKD and USD CZK. Okay. So dollar ZAR, we're going to add it not on the 60-minute, but on the 240. All right, so let's take a look here. Good markdown phase, buy signal right here, and it's moving up. So we'll add it USD ZAR long on the 240. Wait on USD SGD, guys. I have a white candle here. Wait for that to turn green if you want to trade it. All right, USD DKK. Hold on. It's on the 240. All right, USD SEK, USD SEK, long on the 240. It's back to work, guys. Back to work. All right. USD NOK. We're not in that one. That's on the 240. USD NOK. Long 240. All right. Good markdown phase, guys. Buy signal here. All right. Moving up higher. Our target is all the way up here. Okay. So all the way up here is our target here. Buy signal right here. That is USD NOK. USD MXN. All right. Are we in that one? Okay. Good trade going here. Hold on. All right. That's on the 240. USD HUF, you're in that already. HKD, nothing is happening there. USD DKK. And that is long. What's that? 240. So your H4 or forward chart. Okay. All right, couple more. All right, USD CZK, USD CZK, long on the 60-minute. I'm sorry, 240. All right. So we've got trades, guys, in Forex. That's for sure. Dollar CAD. Long on the 240. We've missed it on the 60 right here. Good markdown phase. Look at that beauty. All right. Good markdown phase. Accumulation, buy signal. Right. Target is up here. So dollar CAD. All right. And that is on the 240. Those of you here for the first time, guys, I know some of this might not make sense, but keep coming. Okay. All right. Eurozar. All right, Eurozar. You guys know we haven't had anything with the euro pairs. All right, choppy in here. right, so still nothing in the euro. Pound, yeah, nothing here. Okay, so the yen pairs short, and that's what we would like to see, guys. Okay, we would like to see not a rotation start, okay, but at least just a move. Okay, so ideally, what we'd like to see over here, all right, is that dollar index. The dollar index is moving higher. Now, we might have found support right here. All right, so if we found support, look here. Let's see here. Markdown phase. Look what's setting up here. Markup phase. Markdown phase. Oh, let me move there. And now markup phase here. We might live this just like this. All right, so we could see, just like it did here, all right, we could see that dollar. No, a lot has to happen. We need to see white candles, then green candles. But here's your V forming here, much like this area here. So dollar index is up right now. So let's see if we can get some white candles, right? And then possibly green candles. Again, because the equity market's moving lower. Okay, equity markets move lower. Guess what? Dollar index will move higher, and that will be good for our dollar pairs. So we are in quite a few dollar pairs. Okay, so we've added how many more this evening? 6 more this evening, and we've got 3 here, two here. Okay, and then the yen pairs. The yen pairs. Let's take a quick look. And then we'll be done, guys. We'll be done. Monster Scalper and Forex Dominator. I want to go through. We haven't looked at Forex Dominator in a while here. So I want to see. Might be too early for shorts. Let's see. Let's take a look. All right, these shorts are closing. All right, not much there. All right, Bitcoin, guys, let's take a look here. Bitcoin, nothing, absolutely nothing in Bitcoin, guys. You look here, it's on the daily time frame. We've talked about this, right? Right, so March, so 3/5/3/8/24. Guess what? Bitcoin has continued to stay within, right, a very defined support and resistance. Okay, so no trading, guys. Now, if you know what you're doing, you trade in some very small time frames, you might be able to ink out some opportunities out of this, but there's nothing there. So Bitcoin, nothing. We'll have to get above 70, what was it, 72,000. Bitcoin is at 5,500 right now, okay? Now, let's take a look at, I have another, let's go here. We have a better chart here on Bitcoin, right here. Okay, so Bitcoin is right at support right here, guys. Right at support. This is on the weekly time frame, okay? And it's at 57,700, okay? The next area of support is about right here. Now, I'm not saying it's going to go to that right now, right? It's still white candles, still, still consolidating in here. Okay, but this area is a concern. So if we can get anywhere in this area, start testing support here, we could see another move all the way down here. 30 is a big move for Bitcoin. So 45, and I think then 30. Okay. So right about 30,000 here. But we need to see sellers come in, struggling to hold. To really get bullish, again, it's got to stay above 72,000. Okay, so keep an eye on that. Our monster US 30 traders. Okay, I know you guys didn't take this trade. If you did, good job, because it happened quickly. All right, so on the long side, on the US 30, guys, the buyers on the daily time frame, buy signal here, right? Big green candle here, but it's just holding for now. So you might find some short opportunities like here, okay? But be careful, okay? All right, because if you look here, all right, so price came down, bounced. Price came down, bounced. This time it's breaking through. All right, so sell short signal here. This time it's trading through, so that's not bad. Okay, I'm on the NAS 100. Great short going here. Now, most of you probably our NAS 100 US. Monster US 30, you probably missed this trade in the NAS, okay? I mean, some of our day traders probably caught it, but most of our monster NAS traders would not catch that, okay? That was going against the overall move there, okay? And then the S&P, same thing, okay? But be careful, guys, right? They'll sucker you in, okay? So the sell short signal is here. If you're still trying to get in all the way down here, all right, we can see buyers come in just like they did here. Notice, right? They spike it down, then buyers came in at the bottom here to push it up. Same thing here. Buyers came in at the bottom to push it up. Okay, so just be aware of that. We are just holding off right now. All right, holding off. We have no direction with these E-minis, okay? So the US 30, long and short, guys. So we have no direction. So just be aware, all right? Just be aware of that, okay? Any questions, guys? Any questions? You guys have any questions for me? I'm going to try to answer some questions. So you guys have any questions? All right. That is trading related, all right? Trading related, charting related. You have a symbol, right? You want me to take a look at a pair? You want to take a look at, and then we'll be done. All right. So from time to time, I'll try to open things up at the end if we have some time. Any questions? Any symbols? No? All right. So guys, our next class will be on a Thursday. So no class tomorrow, right? On Thursday. So Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. Okay. Our monster scalper traders, equities. You guys saw what's coming through in stock boss, your small cap stocks. That's what was it? 11, 12. That's nothing, right? Bull master, large caps. What was it, like 30? That's light. So the institutions are not in equities. If they're not in equities, we shouldn't be in equities, okay? In Forex, the yen pairs are short. So our monster scalper traders, 60-minute, watch those 60-minute time frame for shorts. And then long positions, we are looking at the dollar pairs, okay? The dollar pairs long, all right? So dollar pairs long, all right? Dollar pairs, let's see. Dollar pairs long, all right? Dollar pairs long, and yen pair shorts, okay? Now we still have some pairs that are short. I think we missed this. Short positions. in this yen pairs, did we look? I think we missed this here. All right, USD SEK. Oh no, we did go through this. Yeah, I'm sorry guys. We went through this. Okay. All right. So if the dollar index moves higher while I'm here, right, that dollar index continues to move higher, and this is on the daily too, guys. All right, these current positions here, all right, these dollar pairs will definitely start moving higher. All right, and again, you got good support here. Look at all of that support. So buyers would really love, right, to push that price all the way back up. Even if they get somewhere in the middle here where this resistance is, in the middle here, that's a lot of pips from here all the way out here. So I know most of you are not trading Forex dominator on the daily time frame. So, all right, that's fine. All right, guys, I will see you guys on, what did I say, Thursday. All right, Thursday. And equities, stay low, stay out of equities. All right, unless you're doing your own thing. But based on how we trade, we should be out of small caps, out of large caps for now. That's a lot of selling, guys. 626 points down on the Dow today. And that's a lot of pain. All right, and the NASDAQ, especially 577 points, 3% down. That's a big move down. Okay, so I'll see you guys on Thursday. And you guys be careful trading out there. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.